Hello everyone, welcome to Vishnu IAS. Today we are going to see another important recent current affairs. Okay, EPCA chief asks Punjab, Haryana to act against stubble burning by Vishnu IAS team. First, let's see what is stubble burning. So, what is stubble burning is setting of fire to the straw stubble. Okay, so this straw stubble that will remain after the harvesting of grains like paddy, wheat, and etc. Okay, so that is when we are setting intentionally. Okay, that fire also it is set intentionally. So stubble burning is intentionally setting fire to straw stubble that remains after the harvesting of the grains like paddy, wheat, etc. Okay, so it actually the practice was widespread until 1990s. Okay, and this has effects. Okay, so the burning of stubble, it has helpful effects and also harmful effects. Okay, so helpful effects is like it will kill the slugs and other pests, and it can reduce the nitrogen tie-up. So that is the positive side, a positive effect. Okay, so when you see the harmful effect of the stubble burning is this will make the soil to lose its nutrient. Okay, so loss of nutrients will be there, and pollution from smoke. Okay, and also the damage to the electrical and electronic equipment from floating threads. Okay, and risk of fires, that it may go out of control. Okay, the spreading of fire may go out of control. Okay, so risk of fire spreading out of control. Okay, so these are the harmful effects also. So, stubble burning is intentionally setting fire to the straw stubble that remains after grains like paddy and wheat, etc., have been harvested. Okay, so the act of setting fire to the crop residue is to remove them from the field to sow the next crop. Okay, so that they can sow the next crop. So, in order to plant next winter crop, that is rabi crops, farmers in Haryana and Punjab they may have to move in a very short interval. Okay, so and if they are late and due to the short winters these days, they might face considerable losses. So they choose this method because the burning of this stubble is the cheapest and fastest way to get rid of the stubble. Okay, so that they can sow the next crop. So what is the news? Okay, so what is the news is the Supreme Court have appointed the Environmental Pollution Prevention and Control Authority. Okay, and they have returned to the chief secretaries of Punjab and Haryana, urging them to address the issue of stubble burning urgently. Okay, Supreme Court have appointed this Environment Pollution Prevention Control Authority. Okay, on to who wrote to the chief secretaries of Punjab and Haryana that early burning of the crop residues is was taking place, and this need to be addressed very urgently. Okay, so what is the need for this? What is the why it is a matter of urgency is it is said that government has lost time because of the COVID-19, but since winter is fast approaching also, the issue has been tackled, has to be tackled with urgency. Okay, and it stated that the effect of stubble burning will be less in Delhi for the next 3 days because of the wind direction. And when you see what is the issue, paddy residue is not used as fodder. First thing, okay, paddy residue is not used as fodder because it is unfit, and hence the farmers they prefer to burn both paddy stock and straw. Okay, so every year close to autumn they will burn the paddy stock and straw. Okay, so that they can make the field ready for the next sowing. Okay, so actually because of this burning, it is a key factor that contribute for the pollution causing and breathing problems in the northern region. And also when you see the early burning of the crop residue, which is in the states of Haryana and Punjab. Okay, it began in the states of Haryana and Punjab now. Okay, so according to the SAFAR, okay, that is System of Air Quality and Weather Forecasting and Research under the central government. Okay, so this according to SAFAR, it has estimated with the coordination of Insta3D, NASA satellite, and EPCA. They noted to EPCA that Punjab has been in a single day in Punjab there has been 42 fire counts in Punjab. Okay, so they have noted this. Okay, they have EPCA have now noted the Punjab has set 42 fire counts in a single day. Okay, it with the coordination of Insta3D, 3D, and NASA satellite, according to the SAFAR report, they have estimated this much of occurred in a single day in Punjab. Okay, so when you see the 2019 year report, okay, in 2019 nearly 9.8 million tons of the total crop residue was there. Okay, nearly 9.8 million ton was there. So out of the 20 million tons were burnt in Punjab. And when you see in Haryana, there were nearly total of 7 million tons of crop residue, in which 1.24 million tons of stubble were burnt. Okay, so this was the issue. So this is a picture where the stubble burn happened. Okay, it's a picture from the NASA satellite. What is this Insta3D is? Insta3D is an advanced weather satellite of India, which is mainly designed to enhance the meteorological observations. So that is the first thing. Okay, so it is an advanced weather satellite of India that is actually conferred with a good that is, they have improved the imaging system and the atmospheric sounder. Okay, so and this is mainly designed to enhance the meteorological observations and also to monitor the land and ocean surfaces and generating vertical profile of the atmosphere in terms of temperature and humidity of weather forecasting and disaster warning. So it will enhance it will monitor the land and ocean surfaces, and it will generate the vertical profile of atmosphere. So that was in terms of, okay, how this vertical profile is made is by the observations of the temperature and humidity of the weather forecasting and also disaster warning. So next is EPCA. What is this? EPCA is Environment Pollution Control Authority. Okay, what is this? Actually, it is a Supreme Court mandated body. Okay, so what is the purpose or what is the task given for this EPCA is, this will take various measures in order to tackle the air pollution in Delhi NCR, National Capital Region. Okay, so this EPCA will take various measures to tackle the air pollution in the capital. And also it is this body is actually constituted under the provisions of Environment Protection Act 1986, and this is mandated to enforce the GRAP. Okay, that is Graded Response Action Plan in Delhi. So what is this GRAP? So Environment Pollution Control Authority, they will implement an emergency action plan in Delhi to tackle the rising air pollution. So this emergency action plan is the GRAP. So the Supreme Court mandated body, that is EPCA, that will tackle the air pollution in Delhi NCR. Okay, so that will take measures to tackle the air pollution in Delhi NCR. That's all. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Click on like button and share it to your friends. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Do subscribe our channel and join our Telegram channel link to get infos about the daily current affairs and to get the value added materials. Thank you.